Choosing the right wall color combinations is one of the most important steps in creating beautiful and comfortable room. The colors on your walls set the tone of your space and hash of your interior design and even influence your mood. A perfect color combination can make small room is bigger, dull room feel of brighter, and simple room appear stylish and luxurious. Today's modern homes focus on smart color pairings whenever of its soft pastels or calming environment, bold contrast for trendy look, and natural and earthy shades for warm and cozy feel. Selecting the right shades according to room size, lighting, furniture, and personal taste can transform your room into stylish and well balanced space. In this video, I will explore some of the best room color combinations, their more and how you can use them and upgrade your home interior with personal touch. Different types of room color combinations. Monochromatic color combination, a single color used in different tones and shades. It's best for minimal and modern peaceful living rooms. Examples: light blue, sky blue, and navy blue. And complementary color combinations, two opposite colors, one color wheel. It's paired together for bold and contrast. Best for living rooms, accent walls, example yellow, purple, blue, orange, red, and green. Angular color combination, its color next to each other of color wheel, giving to the smooth and natural flow. Best for bedrooms, cozy space, example green, lime, yellow, blue, and teal and aqua. A natural color combination, soft and calm and timeless shades for elegant interiors. Best for any modern homes, examples like beige, white, grey plus calm, and cream, tepu, and charcoal. Pastel color combinations, these are light and soft and fresh looking colors and perfect for calm and smoothing rooms. It's best for bedrooms, kids' rooms. Examples like baby pink, mint green, lavender, or pastel blue. Bold and contrast combinations, pairing one dark shade with a light shade of to create richness and depth. It's best for statement walls, examples navy blue plus white, black, or gold and maroon and cream. Earthy color combinations, it's inspired by nature, warm, grounded, and relaxing. Best for living rooms, master bedrooms, or terracotta cream, olive green, or beige and brown in sand color. Warm color combinations, vibrant, energetic tones that bring life into the room. It's best for dining rooms, family rooms, example mustard, burnt orange, peach, or coral. And cool color combinations like refreshing, fishful shades. These are perfect for relaxing environment, best for bedrooms, study rooms. Examples like aqua, white, mint, light gray, or sky blue off white. Luxurious color combinations, deep, rich colors of fade with metallic accents or premium look. And best for master bedrooms, living rooms, example emerald green,